Sa video na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gagamitin ang iyong Atomic Credit Card based on my research and experience. Let's go! So before ko ituro sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang Atomic Card, let us first answer the question, what is an Atomic Credit Card? Atomic Credit Card is like a lender of money na pwede mo hiraman ng pera kung delay ang sweldo or may gusto kang bilhin pero wala kang budget. It can also be a substitute to cash if you don't like bringing cash, and as long as you pay before the due date, wala kang interest. On the other hand naman, kapag hindi mo nabayaran before or on due date, tulad ng isang credit card, magkakaroon ka ng penalty at interest sa hiniram mo na pera. If ever na-reach mo ang point na hindi talaga mabayaran, hiniram mo na pera on time, may option naman to convert your Atome purchase to installment option sa mismong app ni Atome, kung saan pwede mo bayaran up to 3 to 12 months. Ngayon na nasagot na natin what is an Atome credit card, let us proceed to the question, paano nga ba gamitin ang Atome credit card? So ito pala ang tatlong paraan na nasubukan ko kung saan pwede nyo gamitin ang iyong Atome credit card. So the first place na pwede mo gamitin ang Atome credit card mo ay through physical store, like pharmacy, restaurant, supermarket, gadget stores, at marami pang iba, as long as may merchant terminal sila tulad na nakikita mo sa screen. Tanong, paano po malalaman kung tumatanggap pa ang store ng payment using Atome credit card? Sagot, tanungin mo lang sila kung tumatanggap ba sila payment using Atome. Kapag yes, ibigay mo lang ang iyong Atome credit card para mabayaran mo na ang iyong mga pinamili. Or if may QR sila kagaya nito, you can scan the QR using your Atome app to pay. Ikalawang paraan kung saan pwede nyo gamitin ang Atome is through online store or online app na tumatanggap ng Mastercard like Lazada, PayPal, TikTok Shop at Shopee. Tanong, paano po malalaman na tumatanggap sila payment using Mastercard? Ang need mo lang gawin is tignan ang payment option and check kung tumatanggap sila debit or credit card and look for Mastercard symbol. If meron symbol ng Mastercard, meaning tumatanggap sila ng Atome as payment. Ang need mo lang gawin is to fill up the card details na hinihingi nila to pay, kung saan makikita sa likod ng iyong Atome credit card. Just make sure lang ha na before you shop using your Atome card, safe ang website at pinagkakatiwalaan mo para maiwasan ma-scam at manakaw ang perang pinaghirapan. Tanong, kung wala bang Mastercard symbol, automatic na ba na hindi tumatanggap ang platform ng Atome credit card? Ang sagot ay hindi. Take TikTok Shop for example. Wala kang makikita ng Mastercard symbol but it still accept Atome credit card based on experience. Kaya if may card na option, just try using your Atome credit card kahit wala Mastercard na symbol na makita, at makikita mo kung tumatanggap ba sila or hindi once you attempt linking your Atome credit card sa platform. Ikatlo at huling paraan na nalalaman ko na pwede mo paggamitan ng Atome credit card mo is converting to cash. Technically speaking, Atome credit card are not designed to be converted to cash. As mentioned earlier, it is substitute to cash, not the other way around. Pero if need talaga nyo i-cash for your own personal loans or reasons, pwede kayo pumunta sa USSC Service Center or Maya Center para ma-convert ang credit limit ninyo to cash. Yun nga lang, hindi lahat ng store nagko-convert, kaya set your expectation. Tanong, paano kung walang Maya Center or USC near me? In that case, you can message me at my FB page or Instagram, tulad ng ginawa ng aking mga subscriber at FB followers. Informative ba ang video na ito para sa inyo, and dahil dyan gusto nyo nang kumuha ng iyong sariling Atome credit card? Kung ganun, maglalagay ako ng referral link sa description at comment section kung saan you can use it to get your own Atome credit card. So since umabot ka at the end of this video, may 2 bonuses ako sa inyo. First bonus ko is that if you're planning to buy anti-theft sticker for your CVV para maging mas secure ang iyong Atome credit card, may affiliate link ako dito kung saan if you click it and buy your anti-theft sticker sa Shopee, magkakaroon kayo ng discount up to 25% off, cap at 600 pesos, minimum spend of 200. Kaya damihan nyo na to make your credit card more secure. Second bonus natin is that for sure gusto nyo din matutunan how to convert your Atome purchase into installment. Gagawa rin ako ng tutorial about it. Click mo lang ito. O di kaya gusto mo matutunan how to activate your Atome credit card if just in case meron na. Gagawa rin ako tutorial about it. Click mo lang ito. So if you want more videos like this, forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang. See you in my next video. Let's go.